Hello everybody, I hope you are fine. I'm NJ and I want to teach you everything I know about InDesign in this channel. This is the 8th part of the complete InDesign tutorial. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, I suggest you watch them first. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. This will motivate me to produce more educational videos for you. Let's get started. In the previous session, we learned how to place an image into the document using the place command. Let's insert some more images into the document. I use Ctrl D and insert another image into the document and place it here. Before placing the next photo, remember that the previous image you entered is not selected. Because if your picture is selected and you insert a new picture, it will be replaced by the previous picture. Now, if we take a close look at one of the photos we entered into the document, we will see that it consists of two parts. One is the photo itself and the other is the frame. Now I want to draw a circle with the frame tool and place the image inside it. I select this tool and draw a circle by holding the Shift key. Okay, now while the frame is selected, I press Ctrl D and insert the picture. I repeat the same thing again for another photo. As you can see, the images we entered are larger than the frame and you can only see a part of the image. Let me tell you what to do. To fit the image in the frame, select the image and right-click on it. From the fitting part, we can see how many options we have to fit the image inside the frame. You can test each of these on the image and see the different modes. But here I choose Fit Content to Frame and see what happened. But we have another good option called Content Aware Fit, which I try and wow, how much better it is. Now if I select the image, you will see a box that is outside the frame and it shows the entire area of the image that is outside the frame. Now we can change the image position in the frame by clicking and dragging. Okay, now let's learn how to change the size of images. We select an image and drag it in or out from one of the corners when the mouse cursor comes to this position. As you can see, the image is fixed and only the frame size changes. But I want both the frame and the image to be reduced or enlarged together. For this, I go to the Properties panel and check the Auto Fit option in the Frame Fitting section. And now we see that by changing the size, both the image and the frame become bigger or smaller together. Okay, we have a series of options here in the Properties panel, which are actually the same parts that we see when we right-click on the photo in the Fitting section. I will tell you one more thing here, and that is the opacity of the image, which we can reduce its size from the properties panel and use the image as a background. Okay, that's enough for this session. Practice the topics I taught so that you can learn well and open as always. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments. I will answer them all. Don't forget to like the video and send it to your friends. Be creative and energetic. Bye.